Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Haley Clawson.
It was wild. It was wacky. We had a haboob, and this is something that we frequently see, not here in the Coachella Valley, but across the desert Southwest. Notorious, of course, in Arizona ahead of monsoon thunderstorms. And it's thunderstorms that are the reason for this haboob that affected us this evening. So these thunderstorms weren't here in the Coachella Valley. They were actually in Imperial County, far away. But as these thunderstorms made their way from the east to the west, moving across a very dry, arid environment, those gusty conditions associated with the storm was able to create a gust front, create the sand and the dust, lifting it up into the air and pushing it across the area into San Diego County, into the Coachella Valley even. Of course, we experienced that. So how is a thunderstorm able to do such a thing? This is how. There's wind associated with the storm. It's called an outflow. That air comes out of the cloud and falls to the ground. Now, if that wind is strong enough, when it hits the ground, it needs to go somewhere, so it's going to go out. And depending on the environment that it's in, like a very dry, arid environment, it's going to push that dust, that sand, that sediment out along the front of that wind, the gust front. In time, that creates a wall of dust, and that's exactly what we were seeing out there earlier this evening. So that's a haboob. A haboob is a dust storm that is created from the outflow of these thunderstorms. We don't always see them here in the Coachella Valley, though we know wind and we know dust. But this evening, it was a haboob thanks to thunderstorms in Imperial County. It certainly even brought some of those gusty winds. Thankfully, that's not a situation for us anymore. Earlier, those gusts were exceeding 40 miles per hour. Now, winds around the Coachella Valley, much, much lighter. However, our air quality still remains incredibly reduced. What you're looking at here, these dark purples, notice the far end of this legend here. That is hazardous air quality because of all of the sediment that is still hovering in our sky. And it's going to be taking quite a while for it to actually come back down, especially as we head overnight. So air quality will be slow to recover. The good news is our visibility is recovering as well, though also at a slower pace. So right now in Palm Springs, the visibility at the airport now up to 4 miles. The visibility in Thermal at the Jacqueline Cochran Airport now up to 5 miles. It was worse. It was less than a quarter of a mile down in Thermal, but it has recovered a bit. In downtown Palm Springs, that's when Village Fest was earlier this evening. Plenty of people out and about getting caught in that dust storm, but I also saw still plenty of people walking around in it, so it didn't stop people from heading out. Now that moisture that we're feeling out there, the gusty situation, that's going to be following us as we head into our Friday and even more so this weekend. So by this weekend, scattered storms across the mountains and the deserts of Southern California are expected to continue. Our First Alert Comfort Air 7-day forecast does cool us down into the low 90s by the middle of next week. The news continues after the break. You're watching News Channel 3, the Desert's news leader.